Hello friends, so today we are going to do a question on the indefinite integration. So the problem says integration of x square upon a plus bx whole square dx. Now to solve this we use substitution method. So we take a plus bx to be t. So we have b dx is equals to dt. Now converting the dx into dt, we have dx is equals to 1 by b dt. Now we have x square in the numerator, so we need to convert the x square into t as well. So we have a plus bx is equals to t. So we have bx is equals to t minus a, x is equals to t minus a by b. Whole squaring both the sides, we have x square upon is equals to t minus a upon b whole square. So now we have converted the x square into t. So now just writing this into completely into t, we have t minus a upon b whole square upon t square dt and a 1 by b, because dt by b is dx. So now we have written this. We can just open up the square. So we have t square minus plus a square minus 2at upon b square into t square. Now since b is a constant, so we can take it out of the integration sign, and we have 1 upon b cube t square plus a square minus 2at upon t square dt, and here also dt. So now we can just separate these terms out. So t square by t square, a big bracket outside. Let me just write it again, 1 by b cube and t square by t square dt plus a square upon t square dt minus 2a t upon t square dt. Now solving this, we have 1 upon b cube and t square gets cancelled, so we have a 1 over here, and integration of 1 with respect to dt is t, and then a square upon t square. A square is a constant, so we take it out of the integration sign, and we have a 1 by t square dt over here, minus t gets cancelled and the power of 2 also gets cancelled, so we have a 1 over here. So we have minus of 2a, since 2a is a constant, so we take it out of the integration sign again, and we have these terms left. And now 1 upon b cube t plus a square into integration of 1 upon t square with respect to t is minus, it is t to the t minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1 minus 2a ln t. Now we have 1 upon b cube t plus t minus a square upon t. Since we have a minus 1 over here, so the t goes in the denominator, and we have minus a square upon t minus 2a ln t. So we have a 1 by b cube, and now just we need to put the value of t, because we have integrated the integrated whole of the terms, and now the t is a plus bx. So now just putting it over here, we have a plus bx minus a square upon a plus bx minus 2a ln a plus bx plus c. So this is our answer to the question. Thanks for watching.